Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a trick, a hack of how you can achieve different colorful eyeliners. The choice of your color which is there in your eyeshadow palette, you can convert them into an eyeliner. So first I'm going to be making my base, going to conceal my eyelids to make it more brighter, to make the eyeliner more bright and vibrant. I'm going to be using these palettes from the She Glam's Horoscope collection. I really love these palettes. They have a really wide variety of colors. And for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using this precise eyeliner brush. It is thin, and if you have more thinner brush, it will be more better. And the hack which I'm going to do the eyeliner is using this micellar water or any micellar water you want. Dip the brush in the micellar water this way, and I'm using this first palette. It has a very nice variety of greens, so I'm going to be dipping that brush with the water on this green, just like that. Get good product on the brush, and I'm going to be beginning to create the wing of my eyeliner. After each stroke, I'm again and again dipping the brush on the palette, as it gets very dried up quickly. So after each stroke, after each step, I'm going to be dipping my brush on the micellar water and again on the eyeshadow to get a good amount of product. Dipping the brush again in the water because I have to be repeating that step to get the product well enough on my brush to get the eyeshadow properly. It dries up really quickly, but I really like how it looks. Look at it, it looks so pigmented, so dark. At first it might be looking very light, but just keep building the color, keep dipping your brush on the micellar water and keep building it. You have to do this very patiently. If you're in a hurry, I don't think this hack will work at the end time. If you have a good amount of time, then you should try this out. Now I'm going with this another purple palette. Just look at the packaging. I really love She Glam's packaging. It's so good, and see the colors inside. It has a good variety of purples. I'm going in with this purple shade. I dipped my brush on with micellar water, and I'm going to be grabbing some eyeshadow and creating a wing. I guess even depends on how pigmented your palette is, so make sure you select good colors and a good palette. So little by little I'm completing this winged eyeliner look. Look at this purple, it's so pretty. I really like it. Also, I don't think this will be a waterproof eyeliner because eyeshadows are not really waterproof, and the eyeliner you're doing here is just an eyeshadow, so it won't be waterproof. And here is my completed purple winged eyeliner. Now I am going in with this bright orange. I've grabbed this eyeshadow from another palette, and I really love this orange. It's so pretty, so bright. It gives like a neon orange look. And this is the final look of the eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this hack as much as I did. I was shook when I tried this for the first time, and it works really well. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video really soon. Until next time, bye.